Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's discuss. Let's see what is happening in the crazy world of crypto. That's the crypto market is still trading sideways. Bitcoin is still trading at $83,400. So the market is still trading sideways. So let's see what is happening in the market. So, and who has been selling for the past, see or know, the market have been down for a while now. And who has been selling? And Elon Musk, which is the CEO of Tesla, as you all know. So he made a strong statement and a strong comment few hours ago during his interview. So we show the reason why you need to buy more Bitcoin. And there is this strong support which Bitcoin need to break in the next Bitcoin need to break this support in the next 12 hours. So let's see if we'll be going up from there or we'll be going down from there. So we need to see all those metrics. And the market is been down for a while now. So we need to see who has been selling. So while the market has been down, so who is selling? So quickly, guys, let's dive in. As you can see, the market is still not trading bad. So Bitcoin is still trading at 83,500 right now, as you can see. So which is not bad. Quickly, let's see. As you can see, as you can see on my screen, with the 7 days trade, so BNB is up, even if we have the 24 hours, with almost about 4%, which is crazy. That is because so the BNB chain is really hot right now. So a lot of people are trading meme coin on the chain, and Solana is slightly down. So guys, so there are some fantastic news we need to see. Even if Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of Strategy, so he bought another Bitcoin, but which is the lowest they have ever bought in the history. So he bought another 130 million Bitcoin. So quickly, we'll be seeing that together. So guys, crypto is here to stay. Quickly, let's dive in and come. Let's quickly see what is happening in the crypto market. Let's go. So guys, I will be showing you a little clip that comes from Elon Musk. We show that this is the reason you need to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Quickly, let's dive into this. See who has been selling. So the market is been down for over a few months right now. So since January, we have been down. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin ETF funds. So this is the Bitcoin ETF. So as of today, they are still holding a total of 1.1 million Bitcoin, not $1 million, not $1.1 million, $1.1 million Bitcoin, which was almost about 90-something billion dollars. So the Bitcoin ETF, so just about a few months ago, there was holding about almost 1.2 million Bitcoin that was holding. That was approximately almost about 1,170,000 Bitcoin that was holding. As you can see right now, have dropped to about 1,150,000 Bitcoin, which is crazy. So that is because the big boys, the ETF, they have been selling. As you can see, the green line is the price of Bitcoin. So which the other ones shows the ETF, which they are about 12 ETFs applicants as of now. So which they are already eligible. But as you can see, these people have been selling for a while. Let's quickly see it over here. So this, even if you can see, so I've shown you guys, even if about a month ago, this is Bitcoin long-term supply holders. So these people have been selling too. As you can see on the green line, deep back down here. So they have been taking profit. This is why the market have been down for a while. Now, so we'll be seeing why in the next 12 hours, if Bitcoin will be able to break this support of about, which I will be showing you guys the chart. So then we'll see where we'll be heading next. So if we'll be going up from here or we'll be dropping down from here. Shoot this number. So guys, as you can see, good. So this, as you can see on my screen, so this is the US Bitcoin ETF. So as you can see, this is the iShare Bitcoin, which is the BlackRock ETF. So IBT. So IBIT, which is the BlackRock ETF. So as of today, the BlackRock are still holding about 567,000 Bitcoin. So we still worth about $47 billion. So even a country, as of today, countries are still holding Bitcoin. So there's a lot to disturb. We'll be seeing, we'll be going through all those methods together to see where the market have been down. So those people have been selling, even if a few months ago. So BlackRock was holding a total of about 600,000 Bitcoin almost. So now it has dropped down, as you can see. They are holding a total of about 567,000 Bitcoin. So which is crazy. So they are been taking profit. Those big boys have been selling. So even if the miners too. So that is why the market have been down for now. Even if as Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of strategy, is still buying, but the market is still down. That is because there is a huge amount of selling. And again, this one guy, which I will also be showing you guys that trade, someone placed a trade of about $380 million in short in Bitcoin less than 24 hours ago. So we still show that that is crazy. So the market may still dip back down more. And those people usually be an insider. Yeah, greetings, my man. How are you doing, bro? I hope you are good. So we still show that so the market may dip back down more. For someone to place a short of about $380 million in Bitcoin, so there must be an insider. But there is a speculator that those people will be those BYBIT hacker, those people who hack BYBIT just about less than a month ago. So there may be the people who are making such a huge trade. And there's another way who try to liquidate them. So what happened is that they transfer an extra about $5 million US to that particular exchange in order for them to restart their trade. So guys, as you can see on my screen, so as of today, the Bitcoin ETF, they are still holding a total of 1.1 million Bitcoin. That worth about $93 billion, just like as I said just now, the other article. So they are still holding about $93 billion in Bitcoin. So the list are here below. You can see the top one is BlackRock. So who manage trillions of assets, but they are holding about in total of 47 billion in Bitcoin. So sold by Fidelity, which is also holding about 195,000 Bitcoin, worth about 16 billion, goes on and on. So not just ETF, countries are also holding Bitcoin. So as you can see it over here, so Bitcoin holding of countries and government. These are the countries which are still holding Bitcoin as of today, which haven't sold their Bitcoin yet. So that's because even Germany have sold their Bitcoin during when Bitcoin was trading at $50,000. So countries are still holding Bitcoin. After when you don't have to be scared. So whenever the market is down, like you have to take it as an opportunity. So as of today, you can see it over here. So the UPs are holding about 207,000 Bitcoin. They haven't started buying Bitcoin yet, but this is Bitcoin that the FBI confiscated from the hackers a few years ago. So there was more than this, and the previous government started selling. So after when President Trump signed it into a few weeks ago that they should add Bitcoin to their reserve, so they decided to add this 207,000 Bitcoin, which they was already holding, into their reserve. So which is still worth about $17 billion. So imagine when they start buying. So even if as the market is out, followed by China are holding about 194,000 Bitcoin, worth about $16 billion. Followed by UK, 61,000 Bitcoin, followed by that is approximately about $5 billion. So a lot of people are still holding Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The truth is that so when the market is down like this, you have to take it as an opportunity. And this I was out for a second, man. It's crazy. So this thing went out for a second. So guys, I hope you guys are seeing me back. Okay. So guys, the market is here to stay. You don't have to be scared. You don't have to be scared. The best thing to do whenever the market is down is by DCA dollar cost average. So that when you are back up, so you have to you don't have to be scared. So when the market is back up, so the best thing to do is by taking profit. So as you can see it over here, so the big boys are still buying. Let's quickly see what is happening in the market. And you all know that the tariff which President Trump, President Trump is doing, so he's still giving us back to back. So and President Trump is still saying that so he is just starting. So more tariff will come, and that is really affecting the crypto market, not just Bitcoin, not just Bitcoin. It's affecting even if the tech and the stock market too. So as you can see on this headline over here, Bitcoin and S&P 500 takes a backseat to Stanford trades as a Trump's tariff threatening the daily growth, which is crazy. So guys, the reality is that so the war that is going around the world right now with this tariff is crazy. So and President Trump said that he's just starting with tariff. So now he pressed about 25%. People are crying, and he may decide to place 200% tariff, which is crazy. So, which that will really help the market. So, quickly, let's see. S&P volume dropped about 20 in 24 hours with about 50%. So, which is crazy. So that is because the big boys are still buying altcoins, even if when the market is down. Even when the market is down, so big boys are still buying there. They still believe in those cryptocurrencies. That is because they know that the market will come back up. So we are just down for a while. So the best strategy is by DCA. That is why they are DCA. They still keep buying. So even yesterday, I showed you guys a lot of metrics that still show that even if S&P new address, so it's setting all-time high. So we show that the big boys are buying. So not just Bitcoin, even if altcoin. So why I do focus in Bitcoin is because you all know. So once Bitcoin starts pushing up, so other altcoin will follow. So which is good for the market. Weekly, Bitcoin weighs 380 million short in danger. So this is what I was saying just now. That there is this dude who placed a short worth of about $380 million in Bitcoin, which is crazy. And you all know those usually be an insider. And there was a trade like this that happened few weeks ago before Trump signed Bitcoin into the U.S. Reserve. Before that, such a trade happened. Someone took a trade with almost about $72 million in short, and in less than 48 hours before the announcement. And when the market jumped back up, so those people was in profit. And right now, so with this a huge short, so you have to be careful. That means the market may dip back down. But there is this chart over here, as you can see, in the between the less than less than 12 hours right now. So less than 12 hours, so Bitcoin should be breaking up or down from this 3,400, let's say 3,500. So Bitcoin should be breaking off from here, or we dip back down from here. But if we break down from here, that means we'll be going below $80,000. But if we break off from here, we'll be heading between $86,000 in the next 12 hours. So we still show that the market is still on track. But the best strategy is to make sure you take profit. That is because the market may dip back down from here. For sure. You are 100% right, because so and this with this particular trade, he used with this short, he used 40s leverage. So with a $380 million in 40s leverage, which is crazy. So with just a little push up, and what happened is that other big boys was trying to liquidate him. So with a short-term pop, so because the market was popping up just a few hours ago. So what happened is that he transferred an extra 5 million in USDC back to this wallet for him to protect his bag. So which is crazy. So for someone to be able to short Bitcoin with about 380 million, almost about half $500 million. So you all know that this guy must be an insider and he must have a news that the market will be going down from here. So that is why I would say you have to be careful when you are trading. So those big boys, they may decide to liquidate other of their assets, other of their Bitcoin. So for the market to dip back down in order for them to build profit with this particular trade. Sometimes it may be an exchangers. Those exchangers, they usually do this. Those big exchangers, they may decide to log into the market like this and they may decide to short the market like this. For sure. So for sure, you're 100% like so which we guys will have to be careful at them. So guys, as you can see it over here, what happened is that Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of strategy, so he never stopped buying. So Michael Saylor just bought another 130 Bitcoin. Let me see if I can bring it out for here from his S account. Good. So as you can see it over here, let me quickly bring out this. So it was Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of strategy, tweeted this tweet out a few hours ago. So the strategist has added another 130 Bitcoin. So they just acquired another 130 Bitcoin. So which is equivalent to $10.7 million. So, but this is the smallest Bitcoin they have bought for a while. So they bought at about $82,981. So which is still not bad. So he believes in this year, and this year what dollar cost average. So I will be playing this clip. So which I will be playing this clip. So Elon Musk, what Elon was saying here is that so with this strategy, so the US government, they have a magic money machine. So this shows that this is one of the reasons that you have to buy Bitcoin. It's very, very important. As you can see, so this is one of the reasons you need to buy Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is that asset that you can print more. You can print more Bitcoin, but the government can print more Bitcoin. So they said that the US government has 14 magic money computers. So we'll be seeing that in the next few minutes. So let's see what he have to say about that. So the government has 14 magic computer printing money, which is crazy. So 14 magic computer printing money, which is crazy. So they keep printing more money every single day, and the inflation keep eating away our money. So that is why we need to invest in a strong asset like Bitcoin. That's why every single day I do, I'm here. So live streaming to encourage you guys to keep holding your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Unless you don't want to hold for a long time. Few years from now, Bitcoin will be trading at 1 million per coin. So then people will say you are so lucky to buy Bitcoin, but they don't know that you face all the volatility in the market. Guys, as you can see, even if you're ADA, not just a Bitcoin, so ADA, which is Cardano, Swiss. So even banks, yes, let's say about less than 2 years. 2 years from now, so what you bank was saying that so investing in Bitcoin is just like a crime. So, but today, the banks are the ones who are even investing in Bitcoin. Swiss regulators admin banks now support Cardano that's taking boosting institutional adoption. So yes, from now, so what they were saying is that Bitcoin is using for fraud and the rest. But as of today, they are the one who is investing in Bitcoin, adopting Bitcoin. So even in BlackRock, he said he never believed in Bitcoin a few years ago. He said he never believed in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is used for scam. But as of today, BlackRock are now holding about more than they're now holding more than 500,000 Bitcoin in their holding, which is crazy. So as you can see, their total holding today is worth about 567,000 Bitcoin, which worth about $47 billion. It's crazy. So guys, the best strategy to win in the crypto sector is by DCA, dollar cost average. So there is still more money to make in crypto. Don't forget, Bitcoin is that asset that you can't inflate. You can't print more Bitcoin. It only has a 21 million in supply. And as you can see, in the next 12 hours, we should be breaking up from here, or we'll be breaking down from here. Unless we could not be able to break this support in the next 12 hours. So if we break this support here, we'll be heading to $86,000. So if we could not be able to break it, we may drop down to $80,000. So that is why you still need to be careful when you are trading. So even if the miners too, the miners are also selling. They are taking profit. That is because if they did not sell now, so they will run out of profit if the market dip below like this. So packet swap hit 3 billion in volume reading Desmark. So guys, even if the packet swap is just like form of Jupiter. So when you used to trade Jupiter exchange, when you used to trade in Solana's blockchain. But as of now, so the meme coin on packet swap, so they are popping so hard on Binance chain. So that is because this is desk on the Binance chain. So they are popping so hard. As you can see, if you can look it over here, Binance is up with almost about 16% in the last 7 days. It's doing fantastic, followed by SRP is up with about 12%, and Bitcoin is up, still up with the 7 days, so with about 6%, which is still not bad. So the market is here to stay. So even if Doge is still slightly up with the 7 days trading, the other coin was popping up was strong. Okay, as you can see it over here, strong coin is still up with about 30%. Why? Because their CEO, who was arrested in about a few months ago, it just got released yesterday or the day before yesterday. So which is good for them. So that is why Tron is up with about 30% in the last 7 days, which is good. So SRP is still doing fantastic, and I just showed you guys yesterday new address that showed that yes, SRP, even if the new address is hitting an all-time high, more people are buying. So not just SRP, even if Bitcoin. So, but the big boys who are holding, they are taking profit. That is why the market is still down, as you can see it over here. So the big boys are taking profit. The big boys are taking profit. It's crazy. The big boys are taking profit. I'm coming. So the big boys are taking profit. I hope you guys are seeing. Okay, go. So the big boys are taking profit. That is why. So the big boys are taking profit. That is why the market is down. As you can see it over here. So, like the people, you can see it over here. Those lines over here show that they are selling. So the ETF are selling and the miners are selling. And you all need to know is that if Bitcoin dip below $40,000, so the miners they will run out in profit. In order for them to be able to mine more Bitcoin, so now they need to take profit, and they have to buy new machine. So and because our next heavy event, so Bitcoin have to cut the supply by 50%. So which will really affect them. So the best time to take profit is by taking profit right now, even if as we are trading between $83,000. And if we could be able to break this support of 83,000, we'll be breaking it in the next 12 hours for sure. So with this indicator here, either we break up or we'll be going down from here. So if we go up from here, we'll be heading to $86,000. So from $86,000, the next stop should be $92,000. And if we dip back down from here, you know what that means. So it's better not to trade with high leverage. So I should just show you guys just now that the big boys, this way just short the market. So they will do their possible best to bring the market down. Someone who short the market with about $380 million and using 40x. So that means if Bitcoin will go below $80,000, it will be in billions. So in profit. So be careful if you are trading right now. But the best strategy still remains is by DCA, dollar cost average. So the market is here to stay. Bitcoin is here to stay. So you don't have to be scared. It's by taking profit step by step. And let's quickly see what Elon Musk need to say about this money printing that the government keep printing every single time, that causing inflation. Let me bring out the volume so you guys can see. Elon, which is the CEO of Tesla, was saying that the government has 14 magic printing money. So let's quickly hear him.
So I will mention it great, which is just make money. The dog are sending out trillions of payments. They're also transferring some of them are with some that invest at one or two states. This one at UD. I think we've gotten up 14 magic money years. When I think money out of so I will mention how does that work? It's something like 11 of these computers treasury and office things that get templates across the treasury. Some are some at as well as one or two states. I think we found out 14 magic money computers. When they think money out of that. So
Guys, you guys just read that. He said, I don't even know how to put that. He said they just find out 14 magic money computers that just print money. What he's trying to say is that this is a way that those governments, they keep printing more money to cause inflation. So where do you think they get more money to spend? So it's by printing more money. So every single day they keep printing more money. So in order for them to have more money to spend. But that affects our spending. So your buying power keep decreasing every single day. So the more government print more money, and it will affect the system. For sure, it will cause more inflation. So more money they print, so more inflation they cause. So the best strategy is by holding a strong asset like a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest. Whenever the market is still trading sideways like this, the best asset to buy, the best cryptocurrency to buy is by investing in Bitcoin. That is because each time the Bitcoin dip back down like 5-10%. So those altcoin may dip back down more. So the best strategy is by DCA, dollar cost average, into the market. So even if the market is still trading sideways. So guys, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is here to stay. So the market may be down for now, but look into the long term. Each time the market dip back down. So zoom in and look into the long term. So as you can see, Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of strategy, just buy another 130 Bitcoin worth about $10.7 million. So that is because the big boys still believe in Bitcoin. And I remember a quick reminder that not less than about 2-3 months ago, less than 2-3 weeks ago, the US just added Bitcoin to their reserve. So they haven't started buying yet. So they will start buying. And those big boys, they don't want to buy in high price. So the best time to buy is to push the price down by selling the one they already have right now. Push the price down. So when the price is down, so they will be able to buy more. So you don't have to be scared. You don't have to be fearful that the market is down. So if you buy Bitcoin at $100,000 and Bitcoin is still trading at $83,000, unless you have something to use your money for, yes, good. You have to take profit, but you don't have to buy high and sell low. The best strategy is buy low and sell high. That is one of the best strategies to win in the market. Because you can see the fear and greediness is too low. It's still low. So people are fearful. So imagine Bitcoin is still trading at between $85,000, $84,000, $25,000. The market is still trading sideways. So, but people are already fearful. But imagine Bitcoin dip 50% from here. Bitcoin dip to $40,000. People will be more fearful. So more people will be selling their Bitcoin. So that is what I was saying. So if you have cash on your side, you don't have to be fearful. So that if the market dip back down, it's an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. But if you haven't been taking profit, good. Hold the one you already buy. That is one of the strategies, by holding the one you already bought, so that even if the market go up from here, good. So if the market still give back down from here, it's still on our side. But you don't have to be fearful. You have to make sure you have some cash on your side. It's very, very important. So guys, yeah, by taking profit. So if you are trying to make sure you have some cash on your side, so you can't predict this market 100%. So guys, as always, smash the like and press the subscribe button. Share this live stream with your friends and family. So in order for them to learn about Bitcoin, as you can see, every single day I'm here live streaming to you guys. So in order for me to encourage you guys to hold your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and I will be starting our DCA portfolio in the next. The market is coming slightly up, so we are trading at 84,200, as you can see. I said the next 12 hours, either we go up from here or we bring down from here. So according to this chart over here, so according to this chart over here, so in the next 12 hours, either we break up to $86,000 or we break below $82,000, which is that is what this analysis is saying. So crypto and Bitcoin is here to stay. It's just a matter of time. So if you're in profit, try to make sure you take profit so that if the market get back down, you don't have to be too fearful. So guys, I will see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. And as always, don't forget, so always smash the like and share with your friends and family. At the end, every end of the month, so I will be sharing some NFT, giving out some NFTs and some cryptocurrency with you guys. To you guys. So guys, as always, don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With crypto, financial freedom we shall achieve together. Imagine if you are buying Bitcoin at $1, you haven't sold, or you just bought Bitcoin at $1, you forget them in one of your wallet. As of today, if you have spent $2 back there, as of today, you'll still be holding about $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, sit down, my man. I greet you guys all. So see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. Sometimes I do late. That is why you need to turn on the notification bell so that each time that I'm live, you will get notified. Most of you guys who are watching me from S, aka Twitter, guys, head up to the YouTube channel. As you can see it over here. Let me see if I can bring it up. So this is the YouTube channel over here. So Charisco Crypto. So head up here and subscribe to the channel so that when I'm live, you'll get notified.